The backhoe's waving. Say hi, Emmy. Say hi. He's saying hi to you. I guess that means he's not going to be a doctor. Check him out.
I've known it for a long time.
He has done this for so many years.
I have a hard time deciding whether to drive the low boy because he loves
Trailers.
or
Well, what he'll do is have a low boy with a backhoe hooked to the This is a moment. This is a true moment. He's been doing this in his head for so many years.